one thing that, that comes to mind looking back is, we weren't really prepared for what we were getting into. It got real serious, real fast. We thought we were being screwed by the government, and we were. And so one of my regrets is not paying more attention to my attorney, Carl Maxey, who told us that we could win this in front of a jury if we calmed down. And we thought we were going to lose no matter what, so we used the trial as a platform to speak out against the war. And I think Carl was right, and I think we were pretty young and pretty wild, and the trial ended and we got contempt of court and we ended up in jail. It would have been better politically to have won on the grounds of the charges and in front of the jury.